want to find out about your daily skincare and makeup regime.
My skin is really dry, so I have eczema. It can be a challenge. The one thing I would say is whatever you do, always remove the makeup. And so for me, that's really, really important. For me, what I really like using actually is, so this is grape and sweet almond oil from Caudalie. Yeah, see, it smells really nice. As much as that cleans the makeup of my face, I still like to use a proper cleanser. So I've started using this one from Dr. Seva. I tend to be 80% stick to one particular brand, and then I will incorporate other things that I like. But the core of the skincare brand usually tends to be of one brand. If I had to choose one thing, it would probably be this. This stuff's amazing in terms of skincare. But it's pure vitamin C powder, and I actually mix a bit of this into this.
Okay.
And then I use it every morning and night. It really brings the glow back into your skin. It's probably one of my favorite things. Okay, so there's two things I think for like really good foundation. For the foundation to look good is to make sure that your skin's moisturized. And then the second thing is really to put something that really helps the foundation look a lot smoother. Primer is super important, and this one's from Laura Mercier. And when I started using this primer in particular, everyone's like, wow, Suhina, and actually the foundation too of this. Everyone was like, wow, Suhina, you look so much brighter. So this is the Silk Screen Moisturizing Photo Edition Foundation. It's quite a mouthful. It really evens out your complexion completely. And then the way I love to really set my foundation is with this. This one is also from Laura Mercier. I really can't live without this. And also when you're doing a photo shoot, or if I'm filming for Instagram or something.
Oh, really?
The reason why I use the Clinique eyeliner is because I like the darkness of the black. And it kind of reminds me of like, you know, like one of these felt tip pens that you write with, so it's really easy. Yeah, so then I use mascara from Clinique again. Why? Because I have really sensitive eyes.
And I noticed you have one of my favorite products, the Clear Depot Concealer.
So now I actually use it as a highlighter.
Oh, how do you do that?
What I will do is I will use the highlighter here on the nose.
Okay.
And then I will basically do a bit up here. And then the other thing that I like to do is, so when I haven't gotten the chance to like thread my eyebrows and I have those sparse hairs, what I do is I take the concealer brush and I basically wipe it across here. It's like a fake way of making sure that your eyebrows look good, so that works well.
Lipstick or lip gloss?
Lip gloss.
Foundation or CC cream?
Foundation.
Working out or dieting?
Oh my gosh, I hate both. I don't want to do either. Why would I want to choose? I choose none.
Fillers and Botox? Never? Or maybe one day?
No, so Botox, I've definitely done Botox.
Okay.
And I don't see anything wrong with using fillers or Botox at all.
Yay. Okay, that's all we have.